Hey YouTube, my name is Kate and welcome back to another video where today I am unboxing a Rubik's Cube, and I haven't done a cubing video in like a long time, and this is also a vlog for unboxing too, so if that helps. So all I see right here is tape, so I'm guessing that's what we need to do because it's like a pop-up. I haven't done a cubing video in a long time, sorry about that. But I've been doing a lot of Minecraft lately. That's been fun. But since I can't do Minecraft, I'm on vacation right now. I'm at Disney. And so I got this because for $15. It's pretty, it's kind of expensive there. The world's number one. I think in the bottom. I don't know. Just the rest of it. Oh yeah, if y'all are going to Disney in the future and you want one in Florida, if you want one of these, just any possibility you're going to, if you want one of these, you find them at Animal Kingdom at the trading posts. I think. I mean, it's not in Africa or India or anything like that. Like that tape. Okay. Well, I'm not keeping the box or anything, so I mean, I guess it's free to tear. I think I got 2 more. Yeah, I got 2 more. Yeah, 2 more. Oh gosh. Oh yeah, and also about Shoutout Sunday. Oh gosh. About Shoutout Sunday, I think I'm gonna do that when I get back from vacation, or else, but I think I'm gonna do it when I get back from vacation. And, yeah, so, y'all still have some time to, compete in the Shoutout Sunday if you didn't do it this week. So, yeah. Okay, I didn't tear anything off of that, but I think that's all the stickers. Or, no, not stickers. Not stickers. Okay, so I guess I tear that off. Okay, I tore this off. Okay. Tear that off. Okay, there's an opening right here. Hey, there we go, finally. Okay. I haven't touched one of these in a while. So that's the cube right there, and then there's also a stand. And things on the bottom. What is that doing? Okay. I bet that was for this. And that's what I'm guessing. Okay, so, pretty good. There's Mickey, Donald Duck, Goofy, Pluto, Daisy, and then Minnie. Now, since this is from Rubik's, I don't expect it to turn that well, but once I lube it, it probably turned better than it was. The centers are like tightly in there. They're in there further than the outside of it is. So here we go. First turns. Okay. It's okay. Yeah. I can do finger tricks with this. Let me checker pattern. Okay, I thought I did it wrong there for a minute. The checker pattern wasn't like that, sort of pretty. It was just all messed up. And so, yeah. So, yeah. That is pretty much it out of the whole box. supposedly show a little. So yeah, this cube is really good so far. I think lubing it will make it better. Just a little bit of lube. But it's good so far. So, I think I'm gonna go ahead and end this right now. If you guys want more of cubing, of course, make sure to hit that like button, comment down below. Maybe get a like goal of 10, 15, I don't know. But yeah, so that has been it for this cubing unboxing. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as well, and yeah, so thanks for watching, guys. See you on my next video. Bye, guys.